side of the trunk of the tree. So it's kind of like down in the depths of the tree, I guess.
Tree of life, yes.
That is so cool. It's very fun. This is such a cool view. Oh, look at that. We're styling.
And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick!
Fireflies! Up here! Over here! Way over here! Way over! A little more. Left. Little more. Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? On with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Like that. Off into the... Yes, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. Of South America. There's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really got that. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Oh! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming! She's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Messing up my ant! Hold still!
My God! In case you hadn't noticed, Murray.
You miss! Here, no one makes a fool of Jimmy! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome now, he's buff, he's ready, and he is ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions.
Oh.
I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right out there? Oh, I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second.
Let him in, Claire.
Hey! Not you, man! No way! You'll never catch me! Please, it's already... Hey, God! She's gonna blow! Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made them honorary bugs. So they
Honorary
can...
what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well, then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? Still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stingers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You were over your target, Black Widow fighter! Jump! Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
We do that. Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his room.
What was just doing, huh? Cue the nine! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Professional flowers.
it makes you as fun.
If it weren't for the fact that we like to taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
And if all bugs were like the face of the planet, then soon we know humans around you to planet. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Really talk to me.
It's a piece of cake.
And it's moldy!
Oh, no, let's see.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, drop your belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.